You was his best friend, weren't you?
I didn't
Yeah,
know.
was he
I
charging
didn't know
for
this
that?
nigga was wearing dresses, bro.
Didn't you know about this dress fetish?
He's a tranny.
Oh, he's a
All right.
cocksucker,
It's
bro. He's a
2023,
cocksucker.
man.
Jay,
Fat scamper.
I've got to ask a question. Yeah? Do you think his son, the stepbrother, if he wears makeup and he wears dresses, should we take him to our little party, drag time story read? I reckon we still will like that. Yeah, here's pictures.
No way, no way. What video you showed? Yeah.
I don't know how old you are anymore, Chantel. I'm as old as you want me to be. Do you want me to sound a bit... No, I don't want to get arrested. This is a bad conversation, alright? Let's just keep it... But we're both consenting children, aren't we? I'm sure Mummy and Daddy will say it's okay, because they've had enough of me and they want me to go away and play. That's naughty. That's naughty. I punched my dolly today in the head. Yeah, well, I dragged my dog around the living room. Got angry, I did. Got angry. Punched it, the dolly. You punched the dolly? Whereabouts you punched that dolly? Punched Dolly in the face and then kicked him in the air. Yeah, but did you decapitate Dolly? Because when I'm angry, I pull the legs off, the arms off, and I take the head off too. Have you done that, Jade? You're evil. No, don't do that. Don't do that, I don't. That's going too far. Yeah, but Mummy and Daddy don't talk to me. So how else, Jadey, can I show my frustration? Because don't forget, at school, you pissed on my potato print, but I got grounded for it, okay? Yeah, I know, but... Yeah, you telling tales of me to my daddy. Yeah, you did. Yeah. No, I didn't. I told the teacher. I told Miss Brockenbell, and Miss Brockenbell turned around and said, "You're a cunt."
Language, kids.
I want to be a boy. Where can we get puberty blockers? Do we go? I don't like being a girl. I want to be a boy.
I'm loving this segment. This is hilarious. Comedy gold at its finest.
I have problems. I want to know what it's like to wake up with morning wood. I'm very jealous of people that have this morning wood thing. Do you know I want to smoke nettles. Love them. Nettles? Yeah, but you will sting yourself, silly girl. They're prickly, aren't they? I'm making nettles in tea. I'm not allowed to touch the hot water, but I get a chair. Daddy don't know. But if Daddy finds out, you end up grounded like me, and we won't be able to play together anymore. And Daddy won't find out. When Daddy go to work, I stay in the house on my own. Don't know. Yeah, but don't forget, your daddy is fucking my mummy, and if they find out No, I'm a boy. I'm not a girl anymore. You know, I don't mind whatever you are. So long as you don't have fur and bark, it's all good with me. Anyway, you ain't got LOL dolls. I have. My daddy stole. I do, and I've got an LOL bust. Have you got? I bet you ain't got a phone. Bet you ain't. Bet you ain't got an iPhone. Fuck that. No, that's you ain't. Just to tell me to be quiet. You ain't got nothing. You ain't got nothing. Oh, yeah.
I think they're going into kid mode.
If you keep it between us and Mummy doesn't find out. Your daddy's so poor he goes down the bins and gets your rolls out of there. Yeah, so what? There's a crisis. There's a food crisis. What? Yeah, that's how he gets your crust. Yeah, well, you don't want to know how my daddy gets hold of your mummy's crust. It's I'm telling.
Very nice.
I'm telling of that.
Really? Well, guess what? I've got all the evidence, and my daddy has also got the evidence.
I've got screenshots. You ain't got a phone. Shut up.
Yeah, I've got a phone. I've got a video recorder. What else you got? You ain't got fucking shit, have you? You lawyer.
Language.
Oi,
Yeah, you are.
it's my
You're just
birthday
jealous.
soon anyway. I'm 6.
Do you still want that balloon? Do you want the balloon and the patty? Because I've got some magic sand.
I'm 6 soon. You're not.
Yeah, I know I'm not. So what?
How old are you?
I'm really not laughing.
How old are you?
I'm 5 3/4.
I'm a boy. You're not.
Well, now I'm a girl. Do you want to put your sausage in my tunnel?
Oh, look at I ain't getting involved in that one.